Hello and welcome back to Richard's Random Reviews, the channel that reviews all kinds of things, some good, some bad, some plain rubbish. Today we are looking at the CES sleep instrument. It's also for anxiety and stress. It stimulates the vagus nerve, I think that's how you pronounce it, it's the vagus nerve or the vagus nerve. And it helps you to relax, helps you to switch off, helps you to sleep, and they say it helps with anxiety, stress, all them sort of disorders. We'll just have a little look at the box. CES Pure Physiotherapy, no stimulation, no trauma. Cumulative effect remains useful. No drugs, no dependence. Scientific, healthy, aid sleep. Compact and portable. I paid £35 for this from eBay, and it took less than a week to come, and we're going to unbox it. So it comes in the usual plastic wrapping. Right, the box is a little bit battered, isn't it? Which it came in like a plastic bag. There wasn't much padding, and you know how the mail delivery companies just chuck stuff about, don't they? So that's the box. HEM008. What's I say though? Chung Full Sleeping Aid Device. Now, I've suffered with my sleeping patterns for years. I used to work in hotels and pubs, and I never got to bed till early hours. And I think now, I still suffer from being a night owl, and I can never get to sleep very well. And yeah, I have suffered with anxiety and stress in the past, and do now and again, like most people do. And yeah, so I thought this was worth a go for £35. So let's see what we get in the box. Oh, now we've got a fantastic little carry case sleeping instrument. What else do we have? Oh, we've got some instructions, and that's it really. The box isn't bad actually, it's quite nice. So we've got the instructions, manual instruction for HEM008 Chung Sleeping Aid Device. We'll have a quick look. So, sleeping aid device, 5 volt, 1 amp, working power, blah, 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 blah. Please try to keep the products in the storage box. Do not overcharge to protect the battery's life. If not applicable for a long time, please wipe the product clean and charging, then put into the storage box. Right, so step 1, link the other end of the electrode wire and the ear clip to the main body of the device and install the gasket electrode on the ear clip. Wet the gasket with saline. Place the ear clip on the earlobe. 2 ear clips, not distinguished between left and right. Long press power button, short press. So that's all about switching it on and off and things. So it tells you what happens here. So you might have seen there's like some other devices called Flow, and you wear them on your head and they stimulate the brain to sort of just relax you and calm you down, and they help with depression and stuff, and they help with sleep. This is like a cheaper version, because the Flow products are like £300, £400, £500. I've been looking at them like on Marketplace, and second hand are like £200, £250. So I think they're around 500 full price. So brainwaves, relaxation. Right, it tells you what frequencies to put this machine on. I haven't even took it out the thing yet. So 8 to 13 hertz for relaxation waves. Brain pressure waves 14 to 30 hertz. Brainwave sleepy waves 4 to 7 hertz. Brainwave sleepy waves 0.5 to 3.5 hertz. So the product stimulates the central nervous system of the human body through the pulses to let the body produce melatonin and endorphin, which strengthen. Oh, I quite like the idea of that. So if in the next review, if I'm all happy and jolly and dancing around the living room, you know why. So it's got all the display effect, the use of the physical microcurrent to assist sleep, charging battery. Now, I don't know if there's going to be any charge in the battery, so I might be pausing this video and Let's get it open. Excuse the paint on the hand. I've been painting. So it's quite a nice case, that. It's good quality. I'm impressed. Oh, right. So we've got a charging cable. We've got... Now, these are the things that you clip to your ear. So you clip these on left ear, right ear. And now some people clip them on the lobes. I've been looking at videos and instructions. Some people clip them on the lobes. Some people clip them on the middle bit. You know, the bit, some people have pierced, but not many people do. So those clip on, that obviously plugs in to the main machine. Oh, and there's obviously replacement little pads that go on there. So, oh, hang on. Now, there's one, oh, one of them goes on there, does it? Oh, no, there's already one on each. So, when they get a bit grubby, you take them off, but you have to wet them with a saline solution. Have I got a saline solution? I shall have a look. So, the main machine, I can't get it out, the flipping. Wow, this is in here tight. There we go. To be honest, I think that'd be better in there, and they'll be better in there. Oh, it looks like a sort of Ring doorbell, doesn't it? So, let's do the ASMR. There you go. ASMR. It looks like a Ring doorbell. You could stick that on your front door and people would think, oh, he's got a new video doorbell. That is bigger than I thought was going to be coming through the post. So, where do we switch this on? I just did have a look at the instructions, didn't I? Oh, I think that's on there as well. Right, take that off. So, press, long hold, something. Oh, I don't know. It might need some charge. So, I can't really do a review of it anyway, because you need to, they say you sort of notice results with it at about the 2-3 weeks stage. So I'm going to do a review video of this as a follow-up video, but I just thought I'd do this unboxing and tell you about it. Going from that, it was press and long hold one of the buttons. The middle button. Whether there's any charge in it, we shall see. Any charge in you? No, I think I'm going to have to charge it anyway. So, what I might do, I'm going to charge it for a bit, and then I'll come back and we'll give it a bit of a test and see what it feels like. Apparently, it feels like it's like a TENS machine that stimulates this vagus nerve, whatever it's called, and that helps you sleep and, you know, lifts your mood and stuff and helps calm you down, sort of things like that. So, yeah, it's the middle button there, and long press the power button. It's not doing anything, is it? There's no there's no charge in it. So I'll give it half an hour charge, maybe a bit longer, and I'll come back and then we'll find some sort of saline solution or water to put on these, and then we'll clip them to my ears, put them on, and see what happens. Okay? So by the magic of video editing, I shall see you in a few seconds. So we're back. And it's been about half an hour later. I haven't dared try and switch it on yet. I'm going to do that now. Now, I'm holding it with that at the top. I think that's supposed to be at the bottom. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, we're on. So there's some sort of display. That doesn't seem that bright a display to me. But my eyesight's not. Oh, right. So we've got strength at the top and then time there. So there are some of these little... They're like the sort of cotton woolly type material on them. I'm going to take the tie, or is it an elastic band on here? Take the elastic band off. They look like some sort of really smart headphones, don't they? So, a bit tangly. So I'm going to plug... Now, I charged it up. The cable, it's a USB-C, popular sort of cable port there. I charged it up there. It's literally just had half an hour or so while I've been working on the thumbnail for the video. Obviously the screen goes off. All right, so we've got plus, that's the power intensity, goes up to 9. And, oh, they're like different modes. There's 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2 or 3. We'll start on 1 and then the time. Oh, it's quite easy to work actually. So we'll just start on 15 minutes. Intensity 1 and then, oh right, so you got different settings. What it showed us there. We'll start on like setting 1 and just have it on a couple of minutes. Actually, before we do all that, we'll plug in the other bits. So it's like a, I've never seen a connector like, well, I have seen a connector like that before, but like a power connector. I hope that doesn't break easily because I'm quite clumsy. So plugged it in. Now I haven't got any saline solution, but I googled it and it said either filtered water, distilled water. I've got some water here that's been in the kettle. So it'll have all the impurities boiled out of it, if nothing else. So I'm just dampening down these spongy white things before I electrocute myself live on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just dampening these down. There we go. So they're all damp. My fingers are clean, even though I've got paint on them. So they're dampened down. Right, now I'm going to clip these to my earlobes. So it doesn't say left or right on either one, so clip them on. They don't look, they're not too tight, so I can't see them pinching my ear. I'm going to put them on just on my earlobes for now. Some people put them on that middle part. I can't even remember what you call it. You know, the bit in the middle. You can put them in there, or you can put them on your lobes. And I'm going to put them on my lobes. Here it goes. I hope it doesn't affect the videoing in some right. Now I've actually got some Apple earphones in. I've actually got some Apple earphones in just so I could get a clearer audio on the video. So hopefully it's not going to sort of make the video squeak or squeal or something with this. So on we go. Right, we're on. And right, so is it automatically come on? So they're on my ears. We'll go to setting 1. We'll go to, it goes up to 9, so we'll go to 5 and then, do you press start? Oh yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. That makes you feel a bit dizzy. Oh my God. That is weird. Do you know when you've been spun around? You know as a kid when you spin around and then stop? Oh, that is weird. Absolutely weird. What is the other? I don't know, 45 minutes. So I'm on the like 1 frequency. What's the 2? That's more of a like a pummeling sort of do. Level 3. Oh, it's really strong. Right, level 1. I don't know, I've got it on 44 minutes. Let me take some of the time off. That's strength. Yeah. Start off on strength 1, like we'll go to 15 minutes. I'm still getting used to how to work it. Oh my God, you won't want to use this while driving. It makes you feel really weird, like, that is strange. Do you know when you feel a bit sort of, a bottle and a half of wine? I'm not sure if I like this. It's maybe something that I'm gonna, you're gonna have to get used to. There's something quite relaxing about it, but I'm sat up on the settee and every time it sort of pulses, it makes me feel a bit dizzy. So I presume I'm on the lowest setting. I'm on 1 and I'm on level 1. God help you if you put it on. Go on, I'll have to put it up, won't I? Oh, it's like being thrown about. Oh, it is like being, the sensation has been like being on a ship that's on rough waters and been thrown around, just sat in the same place. I'm not too keen on this. Yeah, I'm on setting 1, level 1 strength, and that is really strong. I didn't think it'd be that strong. That is weird. God help you if you had it on the setting 9. Yeah. Do you know, I'm gonna switch it off there. So I'll take these off my earlobes. Sorry if there's any rustling because I've got a microphone. Right. Yeah. So that was different. I've now took these things off my ears. So again, you switch it on there. It obviously remembers your last setting that was on. Is that the battery level there? 2? It's only had half an hour. So I had it on strength 1, and oh my God, that was strong enough. But it's my first time using it, isn't it? So, and then as far as like the frequency, it was on, there's 1, 2, and 3. I had it on 1, level 1. That seemed so strong. It just felt like I was on a boat and somebody was shoving me from side to side while I was sat there. It was really strange, but in a nice sort of way. You know that if you've had an anaesthetic before, but just as you're sort of going under, it was sort of like that sort of feeling, really strange. But before I use this anymore, I'm going to do a bit more research and read through this book fully, just to check I've got it on the right settings and things like that. And just, I'm going to have a go 5 minutes before I go to bed and see how I sleep. But that is strange. I'm going to switch it off and I'm going to give it a full charge. So I'm going to do a full review of this. I'm probably going to use it for a week or a couple of weeks and then do a full review of it. So watch out for that coming up in the not too distant future on this channel. So that is the HEM008 CES type sleep instrument. It's for insomnia, anxiety, depression. It's supposed to help with all those things. It comes with the spare cotton buddy type things that you put on there and wet with the saline solution. I quite like the little carry case it's in actually. It's quite nice for £35. That is a decent little case that you could take on holiday, or you know, if you're going to store it for a while. That is quite nice. It comes with a charging cable as well, which I've left plugged in back up there. The touch screen is a bit fingerprint sensitive, but yeah, it's going to be interesting. But that was strong, so I don't know how much I'm going to use it if it makes me feel like that every time, but I shall see how I get on. So that's all for this video. If you would please subscribe and like, and while people keep subscribing and liking, I shall keep buying these things and making more interesting videos. All you have to do is click subscribe. I don't post loads of updates. I don't bring out new videos every day, every week. Sometimes it's a few weeks, so you're not going to be inundated with loads of stuff, but I'm really trying to get to at least 500 subscribers by the end of the year if I can. So thank you for watching. I will do an update soon and see how I get on with this electric shock therapy vagus nerve stimulator. So I shall say bye for now. Bye.